Hello students, we are here to discuss our class 8 first unit, that is rational number. What is the rational number? Rational number क्या होता है? Rational number को जानने से पहले, before understanding the rational number, we first recall our memory about the numbers, about what we have studied in class 6 and class 7. First we have discussed the natural number. What are the natural number? The number from 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3 and so on are all the natural numbers. After that we include 0 in it and call them whole numbers. The number from 0 to infinite are all the whole numbers. These are all the positive numbers, and after that we add some negative number in it and we call them integer. So we first understand natural numbers. So natural numbers are the numbers. Natural numbers. So natural numbers are the number that is from 1 to infinite. Then we have studied whole numbers, at the number from 0, 1 to infinite. After that we have added some negative number in this all the positive numbers and we call them integers. In class 7th we have understand about integer in our first chapter, and we call the negative infinity number and 0 to infinite. All numbers are known as integers. Now in this class we understand about our rational numbers. So what are the rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form of p divided by q. जो नंबर p divided by q की फॉर्म में लिखे जाते हैं उन नंबर्स को बोलते हैं rational numbers. The numbers which can be written in the form of p divided by q. जब हम p divided by q की बात करते हैं, when we discuss about p divided by q, one term comes in our mind, that is fractional. What? That is fraction. हमने ये फ्रैक्शन क्लास 6 के अंदर चैप्टर नंबर 7 के अंदर टॉपिक ये पढ़ा. What are the fraction? The number which are written in the p divided by q. So I tell that the number which can be written in the form is known as p divided by q is known as rational number. So how rational number and fractional number are different? So this is the question that you have to find. You have to find the difference between the rational number versus fractional number. In our next video we will discuss this difference. First you will find and WhatsApp me that what is the difference between natural number and fractional number. So let's come to rational number, the number which can be written in the form of p divided by q, and where p is integer, p and q are integers and q are integers and q will never equal to 0. The most important is q will be never equal to 0. If q will be 0, then it will not be a rational number. Any number in mathematics can be written in the form of a rational number. So first of all we will write the definition of the rational number that we have discussed. So the number which can be written in the form of p divided by q, where p and q are integers and q is never equals to 0, are known as a rational number. Now we take some examples of the rational number, like 5 divided by 8, minus 6 divided by 11, minus 7 divided by 13, 16 divided by 5. These are all rational numbers because p and q are integers and q will never be equals to 0. Now there will be a term of equivalent rational number. What are equivalent rational number? If a divided by b is a rational number, and we multiply a non-zero integer, non-zero integers का मतलब क्या है? ऐसा इंटीजर जो जीरो नहीं है और कोई भी इंटीजर हो सकता है। अगर हम उसके अंदर कोई भी एक इंटीजर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं लाइक m, देन a डिवाइड बाई b इज इक्वल टू द a into m divided by b into m. Then the both numbers are equivalent rational number. Let's take an example like we take a rational number 2 divided by 3 and multiply 2 divided by 3 by 6 divided by 6. Then 2 divided by 3 will be equivalent to 12 divided by 18 because a same non-zero integer is multiplied in a divided by b. Next topic of our class is representation of rational number on number line. This is the most important topic and always cover some marks in our exam. So representation of rational number on number line. It's very easy topic. Now our topic is representation of a rational number on number line. Now we will represent a rational number on the number line. We already represent many numbers, natural number, integers and whole numbers on number line. Now we will understand and how to represent a rational number on number line. Let's take an example. First, let's take a positive integer rational number. Let's take a positive rational number, that is 7 divided by 5. Let's take 3 divided by 5. Let's take an example, that is 3 divided by 5, and we have to represent this rational number on the number line. First we have to make a number line from 0 to 1. Let's take this point 0 and this point 1. Now we have to check what is the denominator. हमें ये check करना होगा कि इसका denominator क्या है. Let's check the denominator, that is 5. So we have to divide, we must have to divide this number line into 5 equal parts. Now we divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We divide the number line into 5 equal parts, and now we will divide give each 0 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5, 2 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5, 4 divided by 5 and 5 divided by 5. That is 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. Now we have to represent 3 divided by 5. Here is the 3 divided by 5. It's very easy. We have हमें क्या करना है, हमें इसका denominator check करना है. We have to check the denominator and divide the number line in that equal amount. अगर 5 है तो 5 में डिवाइड कर देंगे, 8 है तो 8 में डिवाइड कर देंगे, 10 है तो 10 में डिवाइड कर देंगे. बस हमें इस बात का we have to take care whether we are representing the positive rational number or we are representing negative rational number. If we are representing positive rational number, we have to go from to the right side of the 0, and if we are representing the negative rational number, we have to go to the left side of the 0. We have to must take care of this representation, whether we have to go left or whether we have to go to the right. Now let's represent we have to represent 4 divided by 7. Let's represent 4 divided by 7. So what we have to do, we have to make a number line, that is 0 from 0 to 1. Now we have to divide the number line into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we have to divide the every part to the 7. 0 divided by 7, 1 divided by 7, 2 divided by 7, 3 divided by 7, 4 divided by 7, 5 divided by 7, 6 divided by 7 and last is 7 divided by 7. So we have to represent 4 divided by 7. So here is the 4 divided by 7. The question arises in the mind of some student that how we have to represent the negative rational number. So if we want to represent a negative rational number, like minus 7 divided by 9. Let we have to make the represent the minus 7 divided by 9. So first we have to check the that is a negative rational number. So we have to go from, then 0 is to move to the left side and we have go to the right side, and this is 1. So we divide it into 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The number 9 is divided into 9 equal parts. Now we have to divide each part by 9. 0 divided by 9, 1 divided by 9, 2 divided by 9, 3 divided by 9, 4 divided by 9, 5 divided by 9, 6 divided by 9, 7 divided by 9 and 8 divided by 9, last is 9 divided by 9, that is 1. So here, sorry, negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Now here is the minus 7 divided by 9. It's very easy concept. You have to practice some questions based on this, and this concept always carries some marks in the examination. So be aware when doing these questions. So you have to represent 5 divided by 4, minus 6 divided by 7, minus 9 divided by 5, 3 divided by 2. Now you have to do these 4 questions in your rough notebooks and WhatsApp it to our class group or directly to me. I will check, and if there is any mistake I will respond to you. Thank you so much, and we will continue our class later on. Thank